Hi, I'm Sandy Verma and I'm from Bootstrap. And today I will show you how to make a good whiskey sour. For a whiskey sour, we need a good bourbon. I'm using Jim Beam here, some egg white, sugar syrup, pure lime juice, and garden fresh lime. Let's get our bottles in place. You must be wondering why we're using egg white. The egg white is used to break the proteins, emulsify the drink, make it more frothy and buttery, and bring out the vanilla flavors out of it. I'll be pouring the ingredients in a glass for you to see, and then I will be shaking them in my two shakers, which can be locked together. First, let's chill a glass. I've taken a nice old-fashioned glass. So let's chill this. Here we go. We'll take 50 ml of bourbon. Put into the glass. Nice. We'll take 20 ml of egg white. Now what's very important is to do a dry shake. A dry shake is shaking the drink without adding ice, and then again shaking it with ice. This will bring out the frothiness. 20 ml of sugar syrup. $20 ml of lime juice. Now if I have to show you the drink, it's very cloudy because of the egg white. It's still floating. We have to break that. Lock your glasses, give it a little compression and shake it hard. Now we'll add more ice and shake it once again. Isn't that like music? My glass is frosted. That's the indication the drink's done. Whoops. It got stuck. Let's take a pre-chilled glass. And guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm taking a big rock of ice to maintain the temperature. So here it is. And let's pour our drink now. I'm double straining it. And you will see the froth coming in. Now, the rule of a lime. What we're going to be doing is taking a peel off it. And I'll twist it slightly to release the oils of the zest. Bring it around the rim. Put it in. Very citrusy. Beautiful smell. And let's take a taste now. A perfectly balanced whiskey sour. The sweetness, the sourness, the texture, if you see, the froth is coming here. There's a whiskey sour for you. Enjoy. Cheers. Have a good day.